Here's a great buy in a really fun little hatchback. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2024 Nissan Kicks S. Beautiful vehicle, just like new, loaded with all the safety equipment. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room, even has an optional cargo mat. Backup camera, rear wiper, 16-inch wheels with a great set of Firestone tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual USB charging ports located in the back of the center console. It's super black with charcoal interior, matte black door handles and mirror caps. Daytime running lights, forward collision sensor located right in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning, all your safety equipment, including lane keep and collision avoidance. Automatic headlights, tilt wheel, in the wheel audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Only 10,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Bluetooth streaming audio, backup camera, heating and air controls, auxiliary audio jack, a USB port, 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Kicks S, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.